Hello friends, this is Rajiv Aggarwal, Joint Secretary DIPP from StartupIndia, and I would like to welcome all of you again on Startup Thursdays. As you're aware, this is a series we started last week, and I'm really gratified to see the response that has come from all of you, from the viewership, and the kind of interest that all of you have shown in this initiative. As you're aware, last week, based on the feedback from all the stakeholders, based on the feedback that we received from all of you, the Government of India has gone ahead and made major changes in the notification whereby we have defined startups. One of the major grouses, one of the major pain points of all startups was a letter of recommendation that they had to get from incubators, from industry bodies, etc. That has been done away with completely. You no longer need a letter of recommendation from anybody. In this regard, I would request all of you to come on our portal and see the new notification dated the 23rd of May 2017, wherein the definition of startups is provided. Another point which had come up was that 5 years was too short a period for a startup to actually register or get incorporated, and thereafter to be able to enter the market and to be a commercial success. As you know, in the Finance Act, the budget for this year, changes have been made that any 3 out of 7 years would be the period whereby you would get the income tax exemption. And to bring it into sync with the Finance Act, we have now enhanced the period for which a startup will be recognized as one, which is going to be 7 years for all startups. And in the field of biotechnology, given the long gestation period, this will be 10 years. The third major change has been that for startups to be recognized as such, and especially for tax benefits, while we recognize innovation, we recognize the development or improvement of products or services or processes as one of the key requirements, we have also included the fact that if you are a scalable business model and you have a high potential of employment generation or wealth creation, then you too would be eligible to be recognized as a startup, and thereafter when we go in for tax benefit exemptions, we will be considering this as one of the factors. So please go ahead, give wings to your ideas, form your startups, and do come to us for recognition, because a lot more things are going to flow. I've tried to take care of some of the questions that have come up in terms of recognition, in terms of these requirements, and in the coming weeks we will be taking and fielding all the questions that come from you in this initiative. Thank you.